Action.
My phone is made into, Ulagawa.
Gulo na pag
Ulagawa!
recording na one day. Gulo na
Zamak pe khun raji. Every last bit of our energy put into making of art. Instead of looking at it as a unfortunate event, this is so hard. I don't want to do this. All of us wanted to pursue film industry, but
Good evening. I am Alison Smith with today's top stories. To cope with the stressful situation of the pandemic, a group of independent filmmakers from Pakistan has started a YouTube channel and social media outlets. They spend their day in their usual jobs while the rest of the evening painting their vision using the canvas of the camera. Ahmed Wadir, a victim of the recession, had lost his job when his offices closed during the lockdown. He paints to deal with his misfortune. According to Ahmed, painting has always been a sigh of relief when times were hard. Shahaya Khan, a medical doctor who is on duty since the start of the pandemic, contributes to Rethinker Media as a creative outlet during his time off, while also preparing for his exams due in 2 months. Fawad Khan, a computer engineer, says he was lucky to find a group which shares his interests. He took the initiative of starting online portals to share their work. They have made short films at their own houses with zero budget, which were selected for international online film contests and were greatly appreciated by their audience. Let's hear more from Fawad Khan, founder of Rethinker Media.